Alright you guys, I'm just going to do a super quick Aldi haul for you. This is all the goodies that I picked up today. It's just kind of like some filler items, and we have the girls with us this week. So a lot of these are items that they requested as well. So I'm just going to go through. I'll have the prices at the bottom for you. And at the end of the video, I'll have the total of how much we spent today. So I'm going to start over here. This is actually dinner tonight. It's a pepperoni pizza. We love these pizzas because they are super reasonable and they're big and they feed all of us. And I got pepperoni because what we're going to do is actually take some of the pepperonis and either move them over to the side and make like part of it cheese for those that like just cheese pizza. And then these are the gluten-free macaroni and cheese boxes that have the creamy cheese. Reese has really been enjoying these, and we've been trying to do more of a gluten-free diet for her. So I got 3 boxes of the gluten-free mac and cheese. Back here I have some frozen mixed fruit for smoothies for in the morning for breakfast. We've got cinnamon, the Aldi version of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Nice big box of that. Got the shredded mini wheats, Aldi brand of that. And then I love, this is one of my personal favorites, the vanilla almond cereal here by Aldi, the Fit and Active. We needed more trash bags, so I got a box of trash bags. Back here, I got a nice big box of the Black Forest little gummies, and there's 36 pouches in there. We've got French onion dip, and then along with that over here we got the wavy chips to go with that. And we need some more butter, so I picked this up, the light Countryside Creamery light butter. We got some baby carrots. We also got some olives. And we needed lots of fruit of the berries. So I got 2 things of blackberries, 3 things of raspberries. So there's 3 there. We got 1 thing of strawberries. And different cheeses I picked up. I got the cube Colby Jack. And we also need more shredded Colby Jack for like tacos and stuff like that. And I got some string cheese here. And they were out of the mixed salad that I usually get, so I got the romaine. Picked up some whole wheat bread. I like to get my bread at Aldi's because it's so much more reasonable than anywhere else. And we need more sponges. And I got these, there's 3 in there. And Reese has been loving these sweet potato bites. I like these because it's literally just sweet potatoes. And I think they have, let me see. It's got a couple other things in it, but a little bit of light brown sugar to sweeten it. But she loves these and she eats them. And she likes the fun shapes too. And then back here, I got a whole box of the mixed vegetables because Peter likes these for his lunches. And I picked up some flushable wipes. This is a 5-pack. We got some of the Fritos Scoops corn chips. These are the Parmesan garlic and herb pita chips. They're really good. We got a whole gallon of whole milk. I got the ground turkey. And I got 4 packs of the risottos. The garlic, roasted garlic, and then also the 4 cheese. And then I just picked up a couple of these little pouches I like to get for Reese. I don't really get the fruit ones anymore since she eats real fruit really well, but if she has one of these, I like to get the broccoli to kind of hide the vegetables in there. So we got that, and that is it. So that is it for today. Just a super quick grocery Aldi haul. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to stop by in the comments and say hello, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.